Do you want a super simple way for you to be able to create deluxe branded documents that you can use in your courses, in your marketing, and to send out to your clients? Then you're going to love today's tutorial. It's drag and drop easy, and let's go and check it out. Here's the thing, there is no need to create basic branding designs like this anymore, when you can now deluxify your documents and brands in minutes instead of paying a fortune for others to do it for you. Today I'm going to show you the fast and fun way to deluxify your pages in Canva so they don't end up looking bland and boring like this ever again. And stay till the end, and I have a prompt for you to take for a test drive with your own brand colors. And if you love what you see and want to grab the Deluxe prompt bundle to Deluxify your brand kit today, the link is above or in the description below. Now imagine up-leveling your brand to an elite level where you could increase your prices, stand out as an authority in your industry, deluxify your marketing, brand, and digital products the fast and fun way. Would you do it? Of course you would. Plus, be able to create them with simple drag and drop AI layouts matching your personal business branding. Now, how cool would that be? Well, that's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, first we're going to recreate this page. Watch how quickly and easily it is once you've created your assets. So here's the blank page. You go to your brand kit, and I highly recommend that you upload your designs to your brand kit like that. You can place it wherever you want. All you do is you can also, with my prompts, create your logos. So I have all my logos here. So I'll just get the one for the Deluxe prompt bundle, and then I'll put that at the top here, and then I'll upload and go to my brand kit. There we go. And then put it on the side. How quickly was that? Super, super. Now, I didn't get the same URL, but it doesn't matter. You grab whichever URL you want. And then here's how quickly you can design this one. All right, so watch this. I've got a blank page. All you do with this one is I would take this one and I'd copy it and I'd paste it. And watch this, and then I flip it. I flip it upwards. And then I put it at the top. And then I obviously created another design here down the bottom. All these are in my prompt bundle. And I might just grab a different one, this one instead. Okay? And then I can just put that like that in the corner. I'm just showing you. I can make it a little bit different. Then I grab my photo, put it there. It's done. Grab the same logo. But they're all in my brand kit. That's the thing that I wanted to tell you. Once you've created these layouts, you download them as an image, and then you go to your brand kit and you can create different folders. Like I have folders for my slide backgrounds. I have them for my photos, which are my brand photos. I have them for my logos. And you just go edit, and then you upload them. So you download the layout once you have them the way you want them, and then all you have to do is what I'm doing now. You drag and drop them onto the page. So I've got my photo, I've got my background, that exact same background that I used here. I've used it here, and then I created this in Canva as well. So if you want to deluxify your brand, that's how easy it is to do. And as I promised, I have the prompt for you. So go and screen dump this and go into Canva and go and take it for a test drive. You can use Magic Media, so you can put that prompt into Magic Media and just make sure that you choose portrait, and make sure to say what size. So if you're in Australia, you probably have A4. If you're in the US, you'll have letter size. And then here's a prompt: letter size document, and you say what your brand color is, and metallic gold. If you don't want metallic gold, you can say whatever color you like. If you want silver, or you don't want it to be metallic, you can just say what your second color is for your brand. Border all the way around the edges with white film. Told you it was easy. Now, what are you waiting for? Go and grab the prompts. I'll have the link above or in the description below, and then you can start going and designing them today, adding them to your brand kit, and you're ready to go. Whenever you need to create something, you just drag and drop the page that you want, fill in the content, and off you go. Let me know if you have a question, leave it in the comments below, and I can't wait to see what you create. Have an amazing day. Bye.